BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft has started rolling out the latest optional preview update for Windows 10 KB5014023, and this started rolling out on the 2nd of June 2022. Now, as I mentioned, with all these optional C-release updates, as they're also known, only install these if you are having any issues with your operating system, as they do include numerous bug fixes and improvements, but they are preview updates. So there is a possibility that the update could cause problems with your system. So if you don't decide to install the update now, most of these fixes will be carried over into the Patch Tuesday update, rolling out on the second Tuesday of this month, 2022. Now, this update apparently improves issues with memory leak problems, slow file copying, and also Microsoft Office files, and as mentioned, has numerous bug fixes that are listed in the release notes. Now, just to take a quicker look at some of those highlights, just to mention, if you are interested for this video, it addresses a rare issue with Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Outlook that prevents both those from opening. There's also an issue that affected the Internet Explorer mode window frame that has been addressed with this update. And there's also an issue that prevented internet shortcuts from updating, which has also been addressed with KB5014023. And then the input method editor, IME, there was an issue that caused it to discard a character if you entered the character while the IME was converting previous text. That has been addressed. And then it also addresses an issue that causes file copying to be slower, and addresses a known issue that affects certain GPUs and might cause apps to close unexpectedly or cause intermittent issues that affect some apps that use Direct 3D 9, and that's mainly to do with old games that you are running with those GPUs, and issues that affect some apps that use Direct 3D 9. And then there is one little new add-on, very minor. Apparently there's a new sorting version 6.4.3 which addresses the sorting issue that affects Japanese half-width katakana. And those are basically the release notes highlights for this latest optional C-release update, KB5014023. And if you are having any problems downloading the update through Windows Update, if you do decide to install it, you can always head over to the Microsoft Update catalog as well to download the update. As mentioned, that could resolve the issue if it's not installing through Windows Update. And then if you have decided to install the update and you are running Windows 10 version 21H2, the OS build will now be bumped up to 19044.1741. If you are running 21H1, that'll be 19043, and if you are running 20H2, that'll be 19042. The 0.1741 stays exactly the same for all those different versions of Windows 10. So that's more or less what's new in this optional update. As mentioned, only install it if you are having any issues with your Windows 10 operating system, else just ignore the update and leave it alone. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.